it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I'll be using SheScentIt today. This was my first time using the brand. It's a small black owned brand that uses natural ingredients in their products and their stuff smells so good. So I picked up 4 products from 4 different lines that they have and I'll be using them and trying them, letting you know how I like them. So you just see me rinsing off my treatment. You guys know I love the Curlsmith Bond Curl Salve. I'm obsessed with it. I use it before I wash my hair every time. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I picked up the Plum, Nectar, and Agave Curl Perfection Shampoo. It says it's a rich, nourishing, sulfate-free cleanser for all hair types, or for all curl types. 100% paraben, mineral oil, petroleum, phthalates, and sulfate-free. So it smells really good. It has this nice, light scent. And as you guys can see, it did have a really nice lather. So I am just going to work this on into my hair. Like I said, I've never used anything from SheScentIt. I really don't even know why I got this specific shampoo. I believe when I was picking out products, I kind of just got what was available because a lot of their stuff was like sold out. So yeah, anyways, this felt really good on the hair. Great lather, like I said. It really felt like it was getting my hair nice and clean. Of course, it did have slip just because I personally like to run the shampoo throughout my strands. So yeah, when I went to rinse this off, my hair definitely was left nice and clean. It wasn't left like super moisturized, but it was manageable. Now from the passion fruit, quinoa, and flaxseed collection, I did use the treatment therapy hair mask, which is meant to strengthen and restore. It smelled just like cherry cola or something. It smells so good and I love the consistency. It was not too light but also not too heavy and just very creamy. So putting it onto my hair, y'all, instantly I got so much moisture. Now this is meant to strengthen, so it does contain hydrolyzed wheat protein and vegetable keratin. Now they are the last 2 ingredients, but I just wanted to mention that it does have protein if you're protein sensitive. So yeah, I made sure to work this onto my curls. I only needed 2 nice generous scoops of it and I just love the way it made my curls feel. So my hair was already detangled, but I could just tell that it had a ton of slip. My fingers were able to glide through my hair. Now it does say to leave on for 15 minutes and for deeper penetration leave on for up to an hour. So I just left it on while I was in the shower, so probably about like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, but I did put a plastic cap over it to trap in heat and give me, you know, a bit more deeper conditioning. So once I left that on, showered, did my thing, when I rinsed it off, y'all, my hair was so soft. Now I am going to do something I usually don't do and apply my leave-in in the shower. I've seen so many people raving about this, putting it on in the shower and then using the plastic cap or keeping the plastic cap over your hair while you style to keep that moisture in. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I used the Papaya Daily Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. It's made with papaya extracts and jojoba oil, which I love jojoba oil. And it's meant to detangle, hydrate, and soften your curls. Now this stuff, I'm not gonna lie, was very, very light. So putting it in my hands, I was like, but when I put it on my hair, y'all, instantly gave me a ton of moisture. So I already was loving the whole putting the leave-in on soaking wet hair in the shower. So you just see me gliding that through my hair. My curls are really soaking it on up, nice and defined, soft, all that. So I am going to just put my plastic cap over my hair again and then I'll get out of the shower and y'all will see the rest. So this is me out of the shower. I lotion myself up and put on my clothes and all that. But yeah, I took off my microfiber towel and you guys can see I still have my hair in the shower cap or whatever you want to call it, plastic cap. So I'm just gonna take that off and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. Literally, my hair just looked so hydrated. The curls were popping. It was just looking good. So I am going to actually part my hair and get ready to style. I'm gonna part my hair, put the hair that I'm not working on, and keep it under that plastic cap, just so it can keep the moisture. It's not going to dry out, nothing like that. And then I'm going to use the Butter Quench Dream Queen, or not Queen, Dream Cream from the Barberry Fig and Honey collection. So this is made with barberry fig, honey, and shea butter, and this line is made for thick type 4 coily hair. So I went ahead and just used the last styling or last product, the Dream Cream. I don't know why I want to say Dream Queen. And this felt so good on my hair, you guys. What I've noticed with all of the products that I used from SheScentIt, they all had this lightweight consistency, but they all packed a ton of moisture. So yeah, that's something I noticed. Y'all know, usually I love like thick creamy products, but don't be sleeping on the lighter products. They can really penetrate your hair just as well. So I worked that on in. My curls really loved it, and I am just going to go ahead and 2-strand twist my hair with this product. So now I'm just taking my other section. Like I said, I kept it tucked underneath the plastic cap, and then I'm going to add some of the Dream Cream, rub that on, make sure my hair's nice, moisturized, and hydrated. And then I'm just going to detangle it, make sure it's tangle free, and 2-strand twist all the way down. So this was really leaving my hair nice, plump, and juicy. So I'm just going to repeat those same steps. I did forget to mention that I did oil my scalp. Y'all know I gotta keep my scalp oiled, but yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just see the rest of the process. So I did want to leave this clip in. You guys will see me putting some of the cream on my hair, and that the front of my hair, which I showed you guys has or had the most heat damage, is really curling up so nicely. So if you missed my damaged hair updates, I will put that video down below. But those Curl Smith treatments, as well as the Olaplex, has really been helping my curls. But yeah, now my hair is completely twisted up. I did my twist a little bit smaller than I typically would, but I'm gonna do a spin around. I sat underneath my hooded dryer for a little bit. You guys know the deal. Then I air dried the rest overnight. So the next day, I did put a little bit of oil on my hands, you guys know, to help with shine and also help reduce frizz. And I am just unraveling the twist, and I'm going to show you guys what the definition looked like before I start to separate my curls. So my curls are completely separated, and you guys can see I had a nice amount of volume just from absolutely doing nothing, but I am going to go in with this little pick and give myself a little bit more volume, as you guys can see. And then off of camera, I will lay my edges and kind of jazz up the look, and then yeah, this is the final look or style. So overall, you guys, I really loved this brand. The products were great, very moisturizing, lightweight, gave me great definition and moisture. I really loved this twist out. I feel like it's a nice mix of definition and also like a little bit of frizz and fluffiness. So I loved it and I loved everything I used. The products range from about $14 to $17, which I don't feel like it's too bad. It's under $20, so that is good. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this brand or if you have planned on it, or if you would. I would love to know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.